we're going to gather our data now. So we go back to our proposal, and again, following the example given, it says that we're going to give 10 grams of this type of mushroom, wait 5 minutes, and then give the memory test cards, or the control groups will get 10 grams of that type of mushroom following the same procedure afterwards. So we have to go into the islands, and from the islands I get to my people, my contacts. Notice that my contacts are in alphabetical order, so I'm going to go back to my database over here, and I am going to put them in alphabetical order, but they're by first name, last name, so that's not really going to work. I could separate the names, or since there's just a few of them, I'm going to go back here and find the ones I need. So the first person up is Wilson, and they are going to get the placebo, which was a shiitake mushroom. So I go into the islands and I get this person. Thank goodness she still is giving consent. So I'm going down to give, recall she was a control group. She's got the 0 there for the control group. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to give her food, which meant she got a shiitake mushroom. So I give her a shiitake mushroom and I set my timer and I wait. While the timer's counting down, you can see I went and got ready to get this. And you could have also had several timers going, give yourself a minute between each one and get more of them done, but I wanted to keep it simple for this process. So whenever this timer's finished, I'm going to click back on the screen and I'm going to give her the memory test cards because that's what we're supposed to do. So I give her the memory test cards and we'll get the results in a few minutes. Now at this point, I could have been off getting another person ready and starting them on the process because I don't have to be around and wait for this process to finish. We can see that it's finished, the brain's all full, and we go over here to history and we see that she got 7 out of 10 correct on that. So we have to go and put that in. So we go back to our Excel database and that was Wilson. So we're going to put in 7 as her result. And we would continue doing the process for the rest of the participants.